So we are doing factoring review. Today's a pretty short, simple day. Ax squared plus bx plus c is our standard form for a quadratic graph. Okay, multiply a times c. Find two factors of a and c. So we're pretty much, do you remember doing the snowflake? Okay, remember you have to find what multiplies to give you the top number, but adds to give you the bottom number. Okay, that's what you put in these two boxes. Okay, this is your a value, so this would be, for example, we're about to do an example. So this is just telling you how to do the box method. I don't think we really did the box method this year, but if you wanted to, so ax squared goes here, which is just x squared. C goes here. Just the diamond. A times c is 10, b is 7. What adds, or multiplies to give us 10, but adds to give us 7? What multiplies to give you 10 but adds to give you 7? 3 does not go into 10. 5 and what? 5 and 2. So this becomes positive 5, positive 2, and you put an x with these. So then you take out your GCF. What did these have in common? Don't they both have an x? What do 5 and 10 have in common? Does 5 go into 10? Okay, these both have an x in common. These both have a 2 in common. So your factors end up being x plus 5, x plus 2. Okay. Here, this one's going to be a little different. So ax squared, remember this is your a, this is your c, that's b. So remember a times c is negative 24, b is negative 5. What multiplies to give us negative 24 but adds to give us negative 5? Huh? So if you get stuck, you can literally come here and do, so like 24, I know 8 goes into 24. Well, can 8 and 3 subtract because it's negative? So if you have negative 8 and positive 3. So it's negative 8x, positive 3x. Okay, these both have an x, but can't 3 go into both of those as well? Now this is negative, so I'm going to take out a negative. 4 goes into both of those. What goes into 6 and 8? Remember, if you struggle, you can do math right 9, 6, 8, so 2. They also both have an x. And then here, they don't have anything in common, so you just put a 1. So here your factors are 3x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Huh? Plus where? Because it was positive? Because it's positive? Yeah. Because that's how you know if you're taking out a positive or a negative. Okay, so now let's look at how we've done it most of the year, which is our snowflake. So remember, a times c on top, b on bottom, ax, and then these are the same two numbers. What multiplies to give you a times c but adds to give you b? So, for example, here a equals 1, b equals 7, c equals 6. A times c is 6, b is 7, a is 1, so 1x, 1x. What multiplies to give me 6 but adds to give me 7? 1 and what? Yeah, 1 and 6. Positive 1, positive 6. 1 over 1 doesn't simplify, and 1 over 6 doesn't simplify. So your factors are x plus 1, x plus 6. Do y'all remember doing this? Okay. Okay, one more. And then y'all are going to do a couple of... Sorry. You're good? Okay, sorry. Okay, so what's A equal here? A equals 6. What's B? No letter, just number. And what's C? Okay, so remember, AX goes here and here. A times C. What's 6 times negative 4? And what's B? So what multiplies to give me negative 24 but adds to give me 5? Which one's going to be positive? Which one's going to be negative? Actually, positive 8, negative 3. Do y'all remember how to find those in your calculator? Okay, so in Y1, you put your top number divided by X, and in Y2, you put top number divide X plus X. So watch. Here our top number is negative 24 divide X, negative 24 divide X plus X. Second graph, you look for your bottom number in Y2. So we have a positive 5. Do you see how we have negative 3, positive 8 with a positive 5 in Y2? So that's how we know those two numbers. So then you look for your B value here, and those are going to be those numbers. Okay? Now, since A is not 1, you have to simplify. What goes into 6 and 8? Yes, or if you're unsure, could you also just do alpha y equals enter 6 over 8, and it goes down to 3 over 4. So 3x over positive 4, that's your factor. Does 6 over 3 simplify? Yeah, so alpha y equals enter 6 over 3. I don't ever put negatives. It simplifies to 2. What's 2 as a fraction? 2 over 1. So this becomes 2x minus 1, because this is minus, so this has to be minus. Can you check this in your calculator? Yeah, type what was given to you in Y1, 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, and type what you came up with in Y2, 3x plus 4, 2x minus 1. Go to your table, do Y1 and Y2 match? Yes, therefore I did it right. Okay? So if you notice, there's only 6 practice problems. Yeah, only 6. That's all I'm asking you to do today. Okay, I want you to try them, and I will check them when you're done.